Welcome to the second skill video for the question of the week. For this week, July 4th, 2021. My name is Paul and I will be your learning guide for this second skill video. In this skill video, we will learn to use the distance formula and find the distance between two ordered pairs. Assume we are given the ordered pairs -4, 4 and -11, 13. The distance formula is known to be x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared, and then the square root of that. This is one of those formulas that has to be known and be able to recall very quickly. Sometimes there's some confusion about these subscripts. In the first ordered pair, we can call this x1, y1, x2, y2 as a point of emphasis. I tend to tell students to write this underneath or above the ordered pairs, especially the first few times that you're working through this problem. The next step is to substitute the values from the ordered pairs into the equation, -11 minus -4 squared. Notice that when I'm substituting it for negative values with a negative in front, I substitute them in with parentheses. y2, 13 minus y1, 4 squared, and then square rooted. From here, it's all a matter of reducing what's inside the square root first. Two negatives make a positive. -11 plus 4 is -7 squared. Again, a point of emphasis here is that whenever you're squaring something that's negative, it's important to write it in parentheses, plus 9 squared square rooted. Also, it's important to notice if you're squaring a negative, you can simply write it as 7 squared plus 9 squared square rooted. This is the square root of 49 plus 81, and this becomes the square root of 130. Let's look at example number 2, determining the distance between the ordered pairs. -2, 3 and -9, 11. Please stop the video here and see if you can work this out on your own. The distance formula again is written as x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared square rooted. Again, for consistency, I'm going to label the first ordered pair x1, y1 and the second ordered pair x2, y2. To find the distance formula, it's simply a matter of substituting the values from the ordered pair into the equation. You'll notice I don't write the square for sets because I don't know how much room I'm going to need. x2 is -9 minus -2 in parentheses squared, plus y2, 11 minus 3 squared, all square rooted. The distance is equal to now simplifying what's inside the parentheses here. This negative goes with this negative to make a positive. -7 quantity squared plus 8 squared. Distance is equal to 7 squared plus 8 squared square rooted. Square root of 49 plus 64, the distance is the square root of 113, which does not reduce any further.